Hey fam, na me the Gona family dey yarn una something wey dey important today. E go good make we begin turn the time wey we dey spend for Facebook to money wey go enter our pocket. Yes, lis ten well. You no need the most expensive phone or latest gadget to create con ten t wey fit make you money for Facebook. All you need na your creativity, passion and the mind to dey put yourself out there. So you no need all those expensive phone before you fit start to dey create con ten t for this space. Facebook no be only place wey you fit dey scroll and like other people post. E be like a golden mine wey just dey there dey wait for you to tap into it. Whether you dey into fashion, cooking, fitness or just dey share your daily life, dey there wey you fit just make your money from your comfort of your zone, from your con ten t. So make we talk true. Start to dey reason how you fit turn your Facebook presence to source of income. E dey about being real, engaging with your audience and exploring opportunities like sponsored posts, affiliate marketing or even creating your own con ten t or your own product. So no underrate the power wey dey for your voice and your story. You get something wey dey unique to offer, so why you no go make something meaningful? Why you no go make money while you dey do wetin you love to do? So the fact Facebook, all you need to do na to dey engage with people post. Try to be creative, try to do that way like to dey do. No bother whether people dey look you, no bother whether people dey like your post. As a beginner, you go get that kind discouragement, you go dey discouraged, say if I post so nobody dey watch me, nobody who wan watch me, who wan lis ten to wetin I dey talk. No bother. Facebook, once they don see you say you dey serious with wetin you dey do, omo, the way they one you go just wake up, you go see your videos dey go viral. Whether you dey laugh or maybe na video wey you dey eat fufu or na video wey you dey wash plate, you go just see am dey go viral. So you just think of that thing, that important thing wey you like to dey do. Just think of it and start up now. Start up oh. See, actually see this Facebook na another place where you fit make money, where people go see you tomorrow. They say where you go put hand, they go say make you don go cut soap, you know, that kind of thing. So wetin Facebook need from you na try to create something, do something wey you like to dey do. Put your camera. If you no sabi all this editing, find person wey go fit teach you. Even if na to sacrifice your small amount of money, make you learn this skill. Money dey for this Facebook. See, no look say this person wey dey preach all this thing, how many followers you get? This one no be my only page. I get like 3 pages. So if I list them for you, go see how many followers wey I get for there. So this one na my children page, you understand? So no go dey say this person wey dey preach all this thing, money dey for Facebook, why her own she still dey this guy. I get my own Facebook page where I dey earn better money. This one na one of my earnings wey I don get as make I use am dey shop. Money dey for Facebook, money dey for this Facebook. All you need to do na to go think of wetin you sabi do. If na hair, if na makeup, if na cooking, if na dancing, if na jumping, if na eating, anything wey you do, wetin dey need na good editing. Try learn how to edit am. Once you don edit, you don learn how to edit your post, you go see say yes, one day you go just wake up, just dey do am. Wetin Facebook want make you dey consis ten t. As make you dey consis ten t, make you just dey do your things, dey do am with joy. You no even look other people dey watch you. I understand say you dey pay, say you go sit down you go spend hours, you go spend some days, hours, minutes dey edit video. At the end, nobody go watch you, no go fit get the kind views wey you dey watch. Yes, I know say they kind of discouraging, but make that one no bother you. Remember say person wey get new store, before you go open your new shop or your store, before people go know you go start to dey come that shop constant. Na so Facebook be. Just try to dey display your con ten t, dey do wetin you sabi, dey do wetin you like, dey do wetin you dey enjoy to do. Just dey do am, dey go. The day one before you go wake up one morning, they go just send you setup. E get one of my students wey I dey teach na so she send me voice note say mommy, they don open my setup for me. Me too, I follow and rejoice. Nothing dey for this life if you no know anything. Open up to person, like I said for my former for my former video, open up to person, make the person teach you, even if not to pay the person small cash, make the person teach you wetin you wan learn. Fine and good. No go dey look all those big content creators wey wey don make am. If they post within 1 hour they don get millions of views, then you go come dey look your own self say you don post since 4 days, since 5 days, I no fit get up to 10 views, I no fit get up to 2 views. They start like you. No dey discouraged, no dey discouraged. Some people they don open this Facebook for years they no get view because wetin, they no dey consis ten t. You know they post wetin you suppose time wey you suppose post. You know they dey lazy to edit your video, you go just post am like that, put am. So you go don dey say you don dey waste time to dey grow this page. Yes, you need the beginning, you know, dey for, you know, dey sweet, but when you don, if you like wetin you dey do, you sef you no go know when you go dey even dey to create con ten t go dey hungry. You go dey try to dey put your video. If you dey cook, you go set your camera, you go set your video, you know, that kind of thing. So na so Facebook be. You no need to look other people, all those people wey dey see say wey dey get millions of followers, they start with one. Only people wey you go see say they post one video, they get 1 million views within 1 minute. Omo, no dey discouraged. Some people dey boast their video, which is good sha, but you know that good oh. I go come to that topic one day. So people dey boast their video, so no dey discouraged. You wey dey get organic view, wey you go just post, you dey get 3, dey get 4 years, na normal thing. E get stage wey you go reach, hence you dey active, hence you know you dey consis ten t. You dey post every day and night. You dey post meaningful post wey people go learn something from, or you post wey you just dey do for fun. You sabi, you like wetin you dey do. One day you go wake up, they go put this setup for you. No at all a bad. Every month you go get your $100 for your account. You know wetin that kind money be for our country. So now wetin I say my country for now today. If you dey watch this video, if you never learn, if you never even think of say wetin I wan start to dey do, think about yourself. Na food you dey chop, you fit dey show people African food, how you take make your village soup. Even say if you no sabi speak English, use broken. If you no sabi use broken, use your village language, use your local language. People wey go understand. Facebook go still push am. They know the kind of people wey go like your content. They go push and go meet that kind of people. So no con dey discouraged, con dey say who go watch me. You say if you post video today at all e bad, one person must watch, because Facebook, people waiting for this Facebook na billions of people na dey use this Facebook. So e bad as e bad, Facebook must know people wey dey go push your video go give, make they watch you. Yes, so all you need to do, set your camera. If you no sabi, find person wey sabi. Me, I dey train today. I dey train people for this Facebook, but I no be all those people wey dey too come dey announce myself. No, people wey know my worth, they come to me privately. I dey carry them along, and they know wetin they at the end. They know wetin they get. So I no wan come dey preach all those kind talk. Now, if you get smartphone, if you get better phone, if you get Android phone wey sabi, wey your camera dey good, your lighting dey good, almost start up from anywhere. Good dey thing, you fit change your background sef. Even sef you dey for fowl house do your video, and you wan claim say you dey for obodo oyibo do am, omo people, you fit still edit am through the help of editing go help you. People no go even know where you dey shoot your video. Start from anywhere. Facebook is easy to grow if only you can be truthful to yourself, that you like what you are doing. No, if you start with fake life, if you start with celebrities life, you go dey tired at the middle. You no go fit. Just be yourself. If you know that way you dey like to do am. Just dey do am, dey go. Just dey happy, dey go. Because you go just see yourself. You go creativity go dey come out on its own. You sef, you go come dey get ideas. Okay, now this one I go do today. Try anything wey you see wey person do, you like am. Try recreate from that person. Try do am. See whether you know. If e no work for you, try again. It's true. It's dey true. Say yes. Anything wey we start, we go fail. We go tire for the road. But if you dey tired, pick up. No give up. Person wey lose guide na him. Person wey give up na him lose guide. Na him go lose at the end. So instead of you to dey look for urgent 5k, urgent 20k, or brother sister help, you get phone. You dey get data. No dey use am dey watch post. Start up your own. Start up. You try to dey make content. Even if na soup you dey cook, even if you dey go your work, you fit video road. People dey like all those busy road. No go dey video people wey dey gbogboza. No, you say na crayfish you dey price inside market, you video na. See, everything na content for this face, because billions of people, and you get people wey dey like our Nigeria content pass even their own. You get some countries wey dey like Nigeria content pass their own. Just reason am. This is why I talk. If you like am, if you want make I guide you on how you go take grow your page, how you go take arrange, organize, get your organic followers. No go dey do follow me for follow. No, that thing dey spoil page. Na I say tomorrow no dey. Yes, so just try your best. Try. If you wan be content creator, you go first make up your mind. You go first think of which content I wan start to dey create, whether na wetin people go like. Yes, at beginning they no go like you because you just start, but when they don say this person, this way she dey do, this way him dey do, e dey serious, so e dey do am every day, they no go dey miss am. Facebook too dey take note, and most importantly, I still dey talk am, dey try to engage with other content creators. Try to dey engage with them. Yes, try to dey follow them. Try to dey engage for wetin they dey do. Try to dey support them. You go see say you too, the way people them too go come give you that full support, you say, you go say, how come this one happen? No dey discourage. Anything wey you dey do am well. If na garri you sabi fry, omo money na still content. If na farm you dey go, na content. If na goat you dey feed, na content. Anything wey you sabi do am, everything na content for this Facebook. If na laugh, you say you wan set your camera start to dey laugh, Monetize. If na laugh you wan start to dey laugh am, people go still watch you. Only Facebook need dey make you follow their policy. Follow Facebook policy, dey consis ten t. No go dey overdo, no go dey showcase your body, so people go come dey follow you because you dey showcase your kpekus and all that. No, Facebook need you to be real. They need you to be organic. They need you to be genuine, happy with what you are doing. No go dey do copy person wey you no get. You wan follow people wey you wan act like people wey get. No, e good to package sef, but if your environment wan discourage you, no dey discourage. You fit make am. Abeg, if you like this video, share am. I go bring more updates come give una. I love all of you wey dey support me and my family. I love. I see them on my channel.